Today I'd like to talk to you about our tape dispensers. Now, we've all had the cheap tape dispensers where they're plastic, they drop on the ground, they break the frame, you gotta throw them away. At that point you find out that the cheap dispenser is actually pretty expensive. So our dispensers, they're all metal frame, metal on both sides, rubber roller, obviously the sharp blade, and then we have the wipe down flap. The blades and the wipe down flap can be bought separately because they can be changed out, so if for some reason they get damaged or broken, it's easy to swap them out. Now these tape guns also have a self-tensioning to stop the tape from going back on itself. You know, most people when they get a tape gun, first thing to do is they crank down the tension to its maximum, so when they tape the box it sounds like screeching wheels going across. Now obviously you just need to snug it down just enough to stop the roll from overturning as you're taping the box. Because the one thing you'll find is a big misconception people have with tape is they like to stretch it and then apply it to the box. But the problem you're going to have there, unlike pallet stretch film, when you make tape, you stretch it out. First thing it's going to want to do is want to go back to its original form. So when you apply that tape to the box, you've got it stretched, it's going to be pulling and then it's going to pop off the ends. I mean, if you've taped a box and you've come back 10 minutes later and you find out that the tape was popped up on the end, that normally means the tape was overstretched when you applied it to the box. Now with the dispensers, very simple, they're very clean, heavy duty, so if you drop them, you're not going to break the dispenser. Just nice and smooth, easy. Then obviously we have the 3-inch version, has all the same key features, metal frame, rubber roller, self-tensioning. Now one tape dispenser that I like, it's the mousetrap. You know, some people have seen it. Very little moving parts. Obviously it's metal both sides. The one good thing about this, what this was designed for, is it only puts on the exact amount of tension on the tape. There's no way to adjust more or adjust less. It's very smooth. Wipe down every time. Applies the tape perfectly flat, no tension, so it allows the adhesive and the film to adhere to the corrugated box. So obviously over time you'll have a nice snug wrapped taped box. Very simple, very fast, and very efficient, no overstretching of the tape.